Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello there, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we have a super fun drawing and coloring adventure in store for you. We're going to learn about 3 special letters and the things that start with them. Are you ready? Great! Let's get started. Our first letter is A. Let's draw it together. Start at the top, go down, and then make a little hump like this. See? It's like a mountain. Make it 3D by adding some lines for depth. Good job! Now, what do you think starts with a? That's right, it's an apple. Let's draw an apple right next to our letter A. Look at our apple. So round and delicious. Our next letter is B. Let's draw it just like this. A straight line and then a big, round belly. Make it 3D by adding some lines for depth. Great job! Now, what starts with B? It's a ball. Let's draw a bouncy ball next to our letter B. Wow, that's a fantastic ball. Our last letter today is C. Let's draw it just like this, a big curve. Make it 3D with some lines for depth. You are doing amazing. Now, what starts with C? It's a chair. Let's draw a comfy chair next to our letter C. That looks like a great place to sit, doesn't it? All right, little artists, it's time to add some color to our drawings. Remember, we won't say the colors out loud, but we'll talk about the objects we're coloring. A is for apple. Apples are yummy and healthy. What other words can you think of that start with a? A is also for ant, those tiny insects that like to march in lines. And airplane, the vehicles that fly high in the sky. B is for ball. We can play games with balls. What games do you like to play with balls? B is also for butterfly, the beautiful insects with colorful wings that flutter in the garden. And banana, the delicious and sweet yellow fruit. C is for chair. Chairs are for sitting and resting. Can you think of other things we can sit on? Like a couch or a swing. C is also for car, the four-wheeled vehicle that people use to travel on the road. And cat, the cute and often fluffy pet that says meow. Great job today, little artists! You've learned about the letters A, B, and C, and the objects that start with them. Keep practicing your drawing and coloring, and you'll become amazing artists. Thanks for joining us at Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.